Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to add a reference image in Leonardo AI. As a first step, visit the official Leonardo AI website and log into your account. Then, from the menu on the left, click the Image tab if you want to generate an image, or the Video tab if you want to generate a video. After selecting settings such as the AI model and the size of the image to be generated according to your preferences, click the Image button to the left of the prompt entry line. Then select Image Reference. Click the Upload an Image button, then select the image you want to upload as a reference in the window that opens, and click the Open button. Finally, type your prompt and click the Generate button. The resulting image will now be generated based on the reference image you upload. I hope this how to add reference image in Leonardo AI guide video was helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.